Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, So Much to Wear. My name's Nikki and I love thrifting. I love thrifting so much that I'm here on YouTube telling you how you can go thrifting to find DIY thrift flips, to fix up some clothes, make them into something great, or make it a job and make profit selling some of the things that you find at the thrift store online on apps like Poshmark and Mercari. Today's video is about a dreaded topic for a lot of resellers. I'm talking about the summer slowdown, the point of summer where the sales start to kind of trickle off and become less common than they are in other months. And this is not just in reselling, this is a retail trend too. People are out going on vacations, doing other things. Obviously, with the coronavirus right now, things are a little different, but people are ready to get out and they're not online shopping as much because many states have opened up. With this summer slowdown in mind, I went shopping at a Goodwill in my area in Mississippi. In Mississippi, what I have found is I don't find as many high quality brands as I find in some of the other Goodwills in my area. So when I go to Mississippi, I have a different strategy. I kind of look for the mall brands that I know sell well for me. And I believe this is a good strategy for the summer slowdown because people are buying some of those less expensive items from brands like Nike and Adidas. And then also, if you've been watching my channel at all, you know that I love doing DIY thrift flips. I do a lot of tie-dyeing. So I also was able to get quite a few items to tie-dye at a very low price. So I just wanted to, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. So keeping the summer slowdown in mind, that's what I was shopping for, and I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I was able to get. I spent about $75 on several items. Oh my God, he's not supposed to be in here. Zombie. Does anybody else have a cat that has figured out how to open a door? He's crazy. Anyhow, these items are not going to be my highest profiting items, but I did find quite a few of them, and I know that they're going to be quick flips, or at least expect them to be quick flips because they've sold quickly for me in the past. Starting off with one of the more impressive finds that I found at this Goodwill. Check it out. This is, I don't know, there's lots of things that could happen with this. So this is really nice. It's either like a prom dress, special occasion dress. The brand is Lulu's. This is the Lulu's tag. This is a brand that doesn't have like the biggest retail price, but it's very popular on a lot of the reselling apps like Poshmark and Mercari. It usually sells pretty quickly for me. What I love about this dress is look at like kind of like that mermaid hem. Also, what I'm interested in dabbling with is dyeing, like dip dyeing the bottom of something like this with an ice dye. I don't know if this is the right dress for it. Either way, I'm gonna find something to do with this. It does have a little bit of, it has a couple pulls right here. I'm going to snip these off. I will disclose this. And then the other flaw is somebody obviously did wear this to a special occasion. It's got a little bit of discoloration on the hem, which is what makes me think maybe I might want to try dip dyeing it, but it's not visible when worn. So this is still a very nice dress. And you guys, I got this prom dress for $3. $3. Sticking with my longer items, I also found this jumpsuit. It's like a cold shoulder jumpsuit. It's from the brand Venus, which is definitely more like a fast fashion online brand that doesn't go for a lot of money, but I have had luck selling some pieces like this. I mean, I only paid $3 for this. So, and it does have the belt attached too. I just thought it was really cute. Now, most of the other things that I got are definitely smaller items, which I plan on selling on Mercari because the shipping for these is a lot less. Here in southeastern Louisiana, it's always shorts weather, but I know that it's also hot in the rest of the country right now. So I just got a couple mall brand shorts. This is the brand Victoria's Secret Pink. Adidas. Adidas shorts do pretty well for me too, as long as they have this Adidas logo. Here's some tie-dye shorts from Billabong. They're tie-dye, so that's why I picked them up, $2. Some more Adidas items. These are black shorts. I don't know if this number one is going to make it harder to sell or people don't care. Logos, you never know. Athleta does pretty well for me personally, and it does well for me when it's like pants that have this tag. They're kind of like, they're more expensive pants. I know these are a little bit older, but a tag that's actually like on the inside instead of just like their logo somewhere. These are kind of like slouchy joggers, size 6. This is a great deal for $2. I will take that any day, even if I'm not just summer slowdown shopping. Here's another find I'm pretty excited about. These are Fabletics. So Fabletics, one important thing to know, if you have never tried picking up Fabletics before, most of the time their pull tags have been taken out, similar to Lululemon. So you're gonna have the best luck looking for a brand like Fabletics if you look for the logo. On pants, it's usually like in this area, same with shorts. Tank tops, kind of in the same area as like the Lululemon logo or possibly the bottom hem. These, the stock photos for these stay up, I think, forever, so they're usually pretty easy to find stock photos for. And when they don't have a tag like this, what I do is I look up the size chart guide and just measure the waist, measure the length, measure and match it up with the measurement range that they have on their website. These are just denim shorts. They're distressed. They kind of have that like jagged raw hem. For $2, why not? Might as well try it. Two of these, I don't know why there's two if it's like an outlet thing, but they're Adidas women's sports bras. They do have the Adidas logo on. This is the other dress that I got that I don't plan on doing a DIY project with. I'm dabbling with this brand because I know some people have success with it. It is the brand J. Jill. This is like the comfort collection, so I don't know if that means it's worth less. But this is a size 2X. Plus size items usually sell faster for me just because there's less of them out there in the thrift store. So this is just like a comfortable, really soft, really high quality material dress that seems pretty timeless. Theory is definitely a higher retail price brand, but for me recently this has not been selling well in my closet, but I decided to try this skirt because it's in my size anyway, so if it doesn't sell, maybe I can wear it. I make mistakes all of the time, so that makes me sound really bad at this. I do make mistakes all the time, but I try to just make it work. So I picked these up because I saw the Fabletics logo, and really I should have been paying more attention and noticed that it was like cracked and probably not in the best quality, but I just grabbed it because I was like, ooh, Fabletics. I love selling Fabletics. It's honestly one of my favorite brands to find. But there's like some paint on it or something. There's some paint on it, and there's also a hole in the crotch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew this up, and I'm going to keep these myself and wear them for DIY projects. This is a DIY outfit now. Another sports brand I haven't really sold much of. I'm curious to see how this does. This is a Puma skirt. I picked it up because I was like, wow, this is in really good condition. $2. I'll take it. And then when I got home, cha-ching! It still has the tags on it. I love that feeling. Comment down below if you've ever gotten home and realized something had the tags on it and you did not know that before. So retail price for this is $65. It still has the tags on it, so I will be able to list this for a higher amount. Some Nike capri leggings. I got home and then I found these have the tags on them too. So retail price, $60. The same thing, different color, same size. Nike running capris, new with tags. These are not new with tags, but I'll take it. It's like a nice green color. I'm just gonna try to kind of go through it. When you're looking for pieces that you plan to upcycle with tie-dye, my best flips and best luck have come from using pieces that are popular brands online on Poshmark and Mercari. Why is that? Because not only will it show up in search results when people are putting in tie-dye, but it will also show up if somebody is just looking for a brand and they come across it and they might like it. So I'm looking for things that I know people are already looking for that just so happen to be white and also cotton. That is super important. If you buy a polyester white shirt, you're not guaranteed that that's gonna work. This is really why I went to the store, knowing that they were gonna have like super cheap prices. I really just wanted to stock up on these. So these are all, you know, $2 or less which makes it so much easier for me to do my projects. And I know there are a lot of people that are dyeing, but they're buying new items to dye on, which first of all, it's going to increase your cost price. Second of all, there's so much, we all know this. We all know that there's so much in the thrift store that's white that is not getting bought because it might have like a little mark on it, or it's just not as bright white as it was before. For me, this is just a huge way to keep these items out of the landfill. So if you can do it, if you're doing tie-dye, please consider using repurposed items. It would really help the planet. It would help the planet a lot. So remember, I got all of these pieces for $75. I don't even think $75 would buy me this dress, this Lulu's dress. So just keep in mind how much there really is to wear in the thrift stores. You can find a lot of things new with tags. You can find things with minimal wear that just need a little bit of work to fix up. And you can also make a job finding stuff like this. If you love thrift shopping, remember that you can go look for stuff like this and sell it online, get it into the hands of people that really want it, and keep it out of the landfill. That's the real mission of this channel, and I hope that you guys are inspired to do something like that on your own. Thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great day.